How to play Peak with more than 4 players. Now, this specific topic tutorial is actually needing us to download a mod. So what you want to do is to pull up any web browser that you can use on your end. And then from there, so simply type in Peak Unlimited. Now choose on the very first result, which is actually from Thunderstore. And then on the next page, you will be asked to whether download manually or install it with a mod manager. Now, based on my experience, I've actually tried downloading it manually and then just clicking and dragging the specific files you downloaded into the local files that you have from Steam. So click on manual download and your download should be able to start immediately. Once you've successfully downloaded it, all you have to do is to go into that specific file download, right click into that, and then go to extract files. Now, this is where you can locate the main folder of your Peak directly from Steam, which is most likely located in local disk C. And then from here, just go into Program Files 86, locate your Steam folder, just here, and then locate the Steam folder again, go to Games, and then open up the Peak folder. Once you hit on OK, it will automatically be extracted into that designated folder, and then you will receive any prompts in there. Just choose on Yes to override an existing file, and then once you've successfully extracted it, relaunch your Steam client and reopen your Peak game again. And that's it. That's how you play Peak with more than 4 players.